Okay, guys, welcome, people. Today we're gonna see our trade breakdown, which I took in the YM, uh, like yesterday in the 15th May. Like how I approached the market from top to down, and what else I saw in Nasdaq as well, and how I ended up with taking shots in a YM. Pretty sure, yeah. Like I don't use any weekly candles to take my bias as well because weekly is very choppy. So I went into a daily frames. Now see where we are trading right now, like at all time highs, right? And Nasdaq and ES as well, we are trading in all time highs, and we created a small week at Asia. See here, this is 18th candle open the 4 hour, and it created a small wick, and it expands towards. I want this fair value gap, yeah, but I don't see any highs, SMTs at highs. See, 18th candle, no swept at ES, no swept at NQ as well, no swept at YM as well. What about RTY? Yeah, even RTY. We don't have any fucking SMT at highs though. So I came into the markets after 8:39, probably after 9:30 move. I wanna capture a 10 a.m. for hour. So let me take this out and see. This is expanding, right? Now what I noticed is I want these lows. I want for sure these lows in Nasdaq as well, and ES as well, like these lows, and in YM2, like these failure swings. I ended up with taking trades in YM. Why? Because means I have RTY framework, which is I got these lows, which is 12th May 2026, the lows at uh, at 9 a.m. See, even at 9 a.m. I got these lows, but in YM, this is the 12th May low. Okay, this one, these lows, and in 9 a.m. where it were in YM. See, it doesn't make the SMT. I know for sure it won't reverse from here, and because if I want to reverse from here means will my daily candles week will support my price to get higher? No, for sure. Example, just imagine like a candle opens here and it came all the way down here, and you guys think that that this candle will go all the way up right here to turn expansion? No, at least met to on a range. But even though if we are going to trade in a range, why we are going to trade a retracement move? It's just a retracement, right? I will trade after that retracement to from this to here. So that was my plan. And yeah, it was pretty sure about that. Like my 10 a.m. candle open right here. What I made is like, see, my 10 a.m. can I just use it this one as my confidence to trade. Yeah, yeah. It's like 11 to 11:30. Yeah, nice. Yeah, wait. Even in a 4 hour we had an assembly, right? With the Nasdaq or else with an RGY. It's 10 a.m. It's 10 a.m. Right? We had an assembly at highs with the YM 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. Just think, guys. Just think in your mind with a common brain. What is the price is coming to tell us? See, expansion met with an expansion right here. Do you think the price will come all the way down here in a straight? No. It takes some time to retrace or consolidate right here. And it gives some sort of asymptotic highs and it will come down. That is the price we want to analyze. Seriously. See, 10 a.m. is ended up with the what? Yeah, PSP as well and consolidation. It's in a bearish. Not way it's a bullish move. Okay. Which trade which I took is where is the 10 a.m. 10 a.m. 11:15 where 11:15. See, this was the trade I took. Like this 11 a.m. candle didn't swept at RTY and where is the 11? It swept at NQ, but it doesn't seems as a strength switch, right? See, I want these lows which I already took in RTY. So I want YM as the vehicle to get into those lows, right? That was the framework as a strength switch, and here it's a bullish one and it took SMT at highs. It's a bearish one and took doesn't even took SMT at like it took SMT as even more weaker for what? For RTY. Now what I noticed is I took this trade right here like 11:15 candle with the 3 minutes yesterday I think so. See, this was my trade. These were my trade which I took after this candle CSD, like this candle CSD, I entered like somewhat here and the stops were right there and I targeted these lows. It's pretty it's pretty 4 hour, but I ended up with SL. Even more after I can take this trade as well right here, which I took from like SMT at highs and it closed as a bearish one. See the fuck. I had an SMT 11:15 to 11:30 at highs and closed as bearish. 11:15 to 11:30 at highs. It not an SMT, but it's a strength switch. Maybe it's SMT. See, it's a strength switch, right? Say like a closing like uh, failure swing SMT closed as a bullish and turtle soup SMT closed as a bearish. Now I can frame my trades right here even. But one thing, notice this. This is a some sort of relevant low, right? Some sort of relevant low. If I see, this were the next low. This is some sort of relevant low. Once price took the relevant low and it went higher again to retrace, some sort of a price action and it came all the way down. So never ever wait. I'll text here. Never ever fucking trade near relevant levels. And see, it is almost a discount, right? From the price started to trading in from 18. See right here, it's almost a discount. Whoever fucking short at a discount, no one should do that. So I should probably wait and I can take some sort of strengths which occurred at 30 minutes as well. Maybe where is that 14 a.m. Yeah, it's right here. 13 a.m. candle swoops at 14 and it never swoops at YM. It swoops at RTY. Once I saw the swoop, I can enter into directly a 5 minute. See, this was a swoop, right? This was the phase in SMT. Once I got this is like this is it's fucking good rate. I enter even I will enter right here. I don't care about those fucking moves to get into retracement. I want these lows for sure as a first one is one, and as well these 1:8. Like maybe I'll chop my SL right here and I can take up to a 2.5 hour trade. This was a trade which I which I which I wanted to take yesterday, but I ended up with some sort of 15-minute shitty price action and I got souped out. Yeah, patience, guys. I want a patience. I want see being a trader is not an easy thing, right? You wanna get fucked up with being a patient. It's not a doctor patient, I'm meaning like patients, okay? So yeah, those are a small thing I wanna tell share you. Even though our being a transparency with you guys, like I'm posting my losses as well. See, one thing, how did I end up with trading a shorts? Like Splash is a good trader in this universe. I saw him. He took some sort of 6 minute 6 hour PSP, 6 hour PSP in New York AM and 15-minute sustain switch and some sort of retracement move right here. Like he took the retracement move but I took YM with RTY. Sometimes, if NQ with the YM is not pretty sure about to trade, I can use RTY as well to trade a YM. See how nicely it's were working. This was the trade I wanted to take, but I ended up with somewhere. See, even it's showing as a strength switch. Like, it's a strength switch. It's a fucking strength switch. As a 4 hour PSP. See, 4 hour bullish. And one thing I wanna notice here, once it took these lows, it never ever fucking manipulated. It's a failure to manipulate scenario. Once it failed to manipulate it, like it closed as a displacement and it get into a gap and retracement and consolidation as well right there. Yeah. So it is a sign we want to see it's a failure to manipulate scenarios. Yeah, I'll see you up in next another video which I was to from next week. Until I'm signing off. Yeah, bye.